Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve the expression 30 divided by 15 divided by 30 divided by 15. So this type of problem confused everyone. So from where to start and how to take the right approach to reach at right answers. So let's start with today's video solution. We will take simple and small steps here. We will choose two digits at a time and write rest the same. So 30 divided by 15, then divide 30, divide 15. Now 30 divide 15 is 2. 2 divide 30, divide 15. Again, we'll take small approach to take two digits at a time. So 2 divide 30, divide 15. So this give us 1 by 15, divide 15. So from here, you should know the rule that is KCF rule. What it say? K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. So let's apply this rule. That means you have to keep the left digit, change the symbol and flip the right digit. So it becomes 1 by 15. So 1 times 1 is 1 and 15 times 15 is 225. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.